Okay, ladies and gentlemen, quite possibly the last time I'm headed to WWE event. So if it's possibly the last time, why not go in style? So, hey, no, sir.
Nice flying here again.
Good to see you. Here we are again. Okay, Gage, what do you got to say? Everybody's out there live. Headed to WrestleMania. And there you go. Honey? We love you, everybody.
We love you.
Okay, we're heading your way, New Orleans. I guess the question always is,
China.
who the hell is next? Well, this plane's next. You guys be good. Looking for a great night tonight, tomorrow night, Access tonight, tomorrow night, got the Hall of Fame induction, Saturday WrestleCon, and go Dogs. Love everybody, and can't wait to get out there and shake some hands, kiss some babies, and thank everybody for being who they are. Be good, guys and girls.